Hey, hey, hey guys. Hey, uh, ga- guys. Right now I'm eating. And yeah, it is. And I know you might be thinking, I and I know you guys might be thinking, why are you eating while making this video? Aren't you just crunching in the mic? And and to that I say, yeah, but I just want to show you what I'm eating. Tell you a few stories that are that are food related. Um, I know. I want you guys to be like, stop crunching in the mic. But oh, this is real good. But I just want. Hold on. Let me put this food away. Okay, hold on. This this food finna go bye bye. Cause um, uh, I'm gonna say that this food I have to go bye bye. So as you guys might be wondering, why am I eating while I record? Why are you guys eating? Why am I eating while I'm recording or making this video? Well, I just wanna make a video based on food and a bit of Jujutsu Kaisen. Mommy can be a bit more quiet, please. So then, I'm gonna show you guys my food. So this is my food or dinner. Hold on, let me space out real quick. Alright, I'm spaced out. Yummy crunchy dinner. Don't ask why I'm liking these. That looked so good. Hold on, guys. So guys, I guess this is more of a Jujutsu Kaisen video now. So, guys, credits to Bonnie XYZ UIP. Hey, that kind of rhymes. So credits to them, and let's get into the video. I forgot Yuji had those cuts around his mouth. Wait, why does Megumi have Sukuna's tattoos? Her face mark, her face paint. I'm not a JJK lover. Oh, I'm mostly familiar with the Gojo one. I've seen the Gojo one a ton of times. JJK. Funny. Anime cons.
All right, next. Please walk through the scanner and make sure.
You are my special.
So guys, for this one, credits to Vipan, Vipanamides. Vipanamides. Credits to that person.
You are my special. You are my special. You are my special.
I want to eat your fingers. For a second, I thought this was from me to you. I thought the text was from me to you. I'm pretty sure this is a reference to from me to you. Why's Eugene a skirt? Not a me. Why is not a me on Michael Jackson's face? I know that's Michael Jackson's face. You can go up to pull out you. Don't ask where I look up. I could just keep on hearing it on YouTube. Okay, Mikhail Jackson. When he was white. This is literally the same face as this. Just with Nanami's glasses on. I wonder why Michael Jackson. No, in that photo, Michael Jackson is literally white. So that has to be Nanami. Michael Jackson. Where'd the hair go? The black hair.
You are my special.
I'm pretty sure I know this meme. It's a little girl looking at the photo. Okay, so Yuji is me. Wait, no. Gojo is me. Yuji is... Gojo is me. Yuji is my friend. And Nanami is our female friend. What are those Sukuna has? I forgot. Gojo got sliced in half. Yeah, you're cooked if he's your pilot. But he's not even in the cockpit. But that plane better be on auto pilot or you're cooked. Is that Toji? Let's go to bald. I thought Mystery Saja was supposed to be bald. No. Bald. Gojo. Meme. Now let's do bald. What does this remind me? It's a Dorito. Eat a Dory. Eat a Dorito. Eat a Dorito. You know what? I think I'm gonna do this in one video. In a video. Before we get to the rest of the video, credits to Weeb Nation 3258. Sorry for having to say credits to whoever. I just have to do it so I don't get copyright striked. Is Gojo on crack or is that dumplings? Yeah, those have to be dumplings. The fact Sukuna woke up to laugh after Yuji attacked. There's one thing though. I never knew Panda could talk in JJK. I just thought he just made random panda noises. And then there was a subtitles that shows what he said. And then everybody understands what he said. But he actually can talk. He has a pretty deep voice. Okay. Here we got the ugly one. You got the ugly one, Tojo. Jogo. Sorry for you hearing my extra crunch from me munching. I don't like how Jogo looks. Ogoj. I don't like how that fire is coming out of his head. He just looks ugly. That's a volcano on his head. Don't ask what my mom's listening to. Time to get back to eating. Is that my Horaga? Sorry for going to Google so much. I just keep on forgetting how the characters look. Now who? I'm pretty sure Mahu is short for Mahoraga. No, it isn't. Mahu. I'm pretty sure that's Mahoraga. That's about 4 things coming out of the face. Yeah, I'm too lazy to look deep into it. Why'd you do that to Gojo?
right.
What did you draw? A dog and he's bored. What did you draw?
A stick.
A stick?
Yeah. I know this. I watched this a few months ago. It makes pretty much sense. Makes a ton of sense. Because Megumi wants to go to the park. Never mind, I won't spoil it.
A stick from the park where you promised to take me today! What did you?
So Megumi wants to go to the park. But Gojo doesn't take. Is this senior Gojo? When Gojo was a student? Sorry guys, but the video is gonna have to end, so you can find the rest on my YouTube shorts.